Okay, it's the vegetarian.
Oh my god, look at this.
Oh my god, look good. Fancy.
Wow.
We should open a restaurant.
Oh my god. And this is with fish?
With the head, is this okay? If you don't mind with the head, give it to him.
I'm finished.
Which one of those plates is yours actually?
I'll pay $90. $90.
Dari si puas, Siap, Mbak Mawar. Teman-teman, kali ini Mbak Mawar bakal masakin pecel ala Lamongan. Enak tenan. Ya, ini kalau teman-teman lihat ya, itu Mbak Mawar lagi goreng ikan lele. Ibu piye ikan lelenya basah, muncrat-muncrat. Tapi mesti hati-hati, kalau enggak bakal kecipratan minyak goreng. Nah, ini 2 ekor ya, tak masukin 1 lagi. Nah, buset. Kampret, jancok. Ups, maaf loh, Mbak Mawar jadi ngomong nggak benar. Tuh Mas, tak bilangin kalau goreng ikan itu kalau bisa jangan basah. Kalau basah ya wes muncrat sana sini. Nah teman-teman, Mbak Mawar kali ini nggak mau bagi-bagi resep karena emang bikin pecel lele itu gampang banget. Karena yang dibutuhkan adalah pastinya lele, terus sambelnya, ntar tak kasih lihat apa aja. Terus sisanya itu sayur-sayuran ya sesuka aja gitu. Kalau Mbak Mawar itu senangnya pokoknya rame. Jadi kayak kesannya itu mewah banget. Jadi makanya Mbak Mawar itu masake berbagai macam. Nah ini aku tak masake itu yo terong goreng tidak tepungi karena temannya ibu juga ada yang vegetarian. Mas Abe sama Mbak Merari. Wah, gue enak teman-teman. Itu gampang banget loh. Teman-teman tuh butuhnya cuman terong sing gede. Enak lah ini Indonesia. Nek kene ku terongnya gede gak karo-karoan. Nah ini favoritku banget. Kalau goreng itu enak, pasti udah pada nyobain dong ya. Ini simple banget, tinggal digoreng-goreng selesai. Terus apa maningnya? Jadi selain itu juga aku tak goreng ke tempe, tak goreng ke tahu. Terus kanggo lalapan juga yo. Jadi apa itu? Basil kupo. Kemangi ya Allah Mbak Mawar. Nah ini kalau teman-teman lihat ya, aku tak goreng, tak masak ke sambel. Itu simple banget, sebenarnya sambel pecel Lamongan. Cuman kan karena koncone ibu enak sing vegetarian, jadi aku nggak tak kayak terasi ya. Jadi terasinya kita skip this time. Jadinya itu aja bawang merah, bawang putih, terus ini cabenya ini walah pedas banget. Nah teman-teman lihat ini full sak mangkok full cabe sambel. Ya wes pokoknya kayak ngono tuh teman-teman, lihat sisanya reaksinya aku juga penasaran. Yuk kita tonton bareng hanya di Binai Channel. Nak.
The vegetarian one.
Oh my god, look at this.
Oh my god, look good. Fancy. We should open a restaurant.
I know, right? I'm taking
Oh my god. And this is with fish?
with the head, is this okay? If you don't mind with the head, give it to him.
Yeah.
He's not scared of the head.
He's biting.
He's biting. It's a big
Oh
one.
my god, this looks really good.
Yes. Oh, thank you. It's all from the scratch, guys.
I like the presentation.
It's really nice.
Yeah. Really cool choice.
And so many different things like
Yes,
1, 2,
oh my god.
3,
I almost
4,
forget when I
5,
was
6.
how many?
Nine?
Like I almost forgot for each of it to put on, so that's why. Hi guys! Welcome back to Binai Channel. Yes, and today is a very special meal we have. which is the fish that I haven't eaten for like I don't know how many years. I think 10 years. It's one of my very favorite like a sweetwater fish. In Indonesia we fish a lot. We have the saltwater and sweetwater one. And this one is kind of like a very street food. It's a typical street food in Indonesia. And this meal is, of course, I'm gonna show you the map. So you know where it's come from. So it's from Lamongan. The city is not in there because it's a small city, but I think it's either in East Java. So we are going in this area. The name of the city is Lamongan.
Lamongan.
Yes, Lamongan, and that's why they call this Pecel Lele Lamongan.
Pecel Lele Lamongan.
Oh my god, everyone got it.
Yeah, this is actually the catfish in Indonesia. Yes, meow. In Indonesian, we call it lele. It's
Lele.
easier, I guess, than
Yeah.
catfish. Yeah, sambel. I think we have to start to call this. This is sambel.
Sambal.
Sambel.
Sambal.
Sambal.
Yes, sambal. So it's like chili sauce, but let's call it in Indonesian way because it's Indonesian. Sambal. So the sambal is spicy. Be careful. And how we eat it? The best thing is you mix it with your rice and with everything you have and dig it. So let's eat. I hope you guys like it. And
so
yes,
good.
What is this thing?
this basil.
Ah.
Yes, we love to eat basil in Indonesia. With like fresh meal like this, we always put like some fresh vegetables.
I have to see how you eat first.
Oh sure. See, I normally like to mix the sambal with my rice because then it's not dry. Like this. And I'm gonna get my fish, and you guys can get whatever you like. So Akash, you can see like it has it. You just put it to the side. Oh, I feel like it has some a little bit. See, I think Marie asking me what is this one. It's an eggplant. It's a fried eggplant.
In your sambal?
In your sambal.
Sambal.
Sorry, I said.
I liked it.
Hmm?
I tasted it.
The
It's
sambal?
solid. Yeah.
You like it? I think the spicy now is pretty good.
No, it's perfect.
And this is tofu?
It is, sir. Do you know this one then?
Flaxseed.
Oh, this one is tempeh. It's an Indonesian protein. So try this one. YouTube vegetarian. It's like tofu, but it's kind of like a sibling of tofu.
Oh, sibling.
It's coming from soybean. And this one is cabbage, fried cabbage.
Fried cabbage.
It's actually really good. Like
I'm eating the
I've
fried
never
cabbage.
eaten.
one.
I've never eaten fried cabbage before.
Oh, is this the first time? Oh, for you as well?
No.
You had it before? Yeah, it's kind of like, it's my favorite thing as well. If I order this food, I always want it with the fried. Oh, sir, you go crazy.
I really like this. It's a sambal?
Sambal.
Sambal.
Yes, it's made by Nancy.
Sambal by Nancy.
So what is with this fish actually? I've never eaten a fish like this that was fried. Like what kind of fish is that actually?
Yeah, this is the, I think in English, as I always say, it's a catfish. In Indonesia, they make a farm, like a Lele farm.
Lele farm.
Yeah. Oh, Abai, you're so Indonesian right now.
Where I am from, we have a lot of farms of these too.
Oh, that is very interesting. I know like there's like an American catfish, but I never tried that. Yeah, and then I think the American one is bigger, right?
Well, in general, catfish can be really big if you let fish grow. But yeah, they can be big. Like we have even like this.
Oh my god.
Wow.
I think I'm gonna be scared.
This reminded me of India. As I told you before, my
Yeah.
mom used to make
Like
the
that?
eggplant chips. She used to mix with some flours and some spices and stir, deep fry. You have deep fried.
Yeah,
right,
just
no?
deep fried
Yeah.
that far. Mmm.
But this thing is new for me, the sauce thing, and it's really nice.
Yeah, we always eat sambal. We have like 100 varieties of sambal. Indonesian really like. If you eat anything, we always have to have sambal next to us because it just give like more flavor if you
Yeah.
eat spicy.
And it's convenient for everyone, depending on how spicy they want to eat.
Yeah.
Like me, I was just putting one in there.
I see that.
What is this? Like a
Tofu.
bread? Oh wow. Okay.
So we're teaching our vegetarian friends more today.
I never had this kind of tofu. It's usually in water, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, more of this. I'm just asking in general for that.
That's the only I have. But you can eat more as much as you want. If you like it, I'm happy.
You sure?
It's really eating only this chili. Eat it, it's okay.
I'm gonna eat less now. So that everyone else can eat.
I tried it, and when I tried it, I told Basti, "Oh, it's spicy. Then I'm gonna eat a lot of this one finally." But then it's okay, spicy. Is it spicy for
It's
you?
spicy, but I can eat it.
Yeah, babe. We got a lot of spice. You can get it from her later.
Oh my god, you ate the whole fish already?
Yes,
I feel I just started with it.
Alex always like quiet,
Wow.
but then he just like.
I didn't
enjoy
even
his
start
meal.
it.
Like it takes time, right? You need to go through it, like find all the fish bones and how do you eat that so fast?
By not talking.
Okay, I got the message.
You just take the chunks of the thing.
Yeah, the middle one is no bone, maybe like this.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god, it feels so good. I used to love this fish. I never eat it for like I don't know how many years. Now like I'm eating it. It like brings back all the memories. It's so funny. I feel like home right now.
Ooh, I love it.
That's why the first time when I said like he said like I don't know how to do dance. I was like seriously? Because when we watch Bollywood, all of them eat with hands. Doesn't make sense. He said he doesn't eat with hands. Like,
I'm sorry, but
with
which
roti.
Bollywood movies are you watching?
Ooh,
Sambel.
Sambel. Yeah, that's the goal.
I'm just counting on her. Then I'm gonna have one.
I got more rice though if you want to feel more rice. You just eat the sambal like that.
I mean, we have chili, right? If you need something more spicy, we also have chili.
No, but the thing is,
You like
it's
this
so
thing,
the
yeah?
flavor is so
Okay,
nice.
yeah.
I'm gonna try this one. I think I can make it, right?
You can make it. It's so easy.
You want it?
Go ahead.
It will make a lot.
I actually didn't think we would eat all of this. Honestly, when you made the whole bowl, I was like, oh, okay, this will last for like a week maybe.
Yeah, it's not so right.
I'm
And
feeling
then
bad right now.
I never had a bear.
It's not only about the spice. You have
The
blended
flavor.
a lot of flavors in it, which I
Yeah.
really like.
That's true. That's a good way to tell it, guys. So then people know I make a good sambal. So guys, half of the bowl is literally goes to his stomach.
I really like it. I hope you're gonna invite me again to finish half of your food.
Can I get more? Tempe?
Oh yeah, totally.
Yeah.
Would you mind to serve yourself? It's in the bag. Everything
This
is in
one?
there.
Yeah. Do you like it? Oh, yeah. I can.
Get his.
See? It's okay.
See?
I didn't touch it.
Alex loves temper.
When I was vegan, I was eating this all.
Right,
Just don't worry.
Everyone take everyone else. We share here, guys. Can you a bit from your sauce? I be in everything.
It was so nice. I asked you. You
No,
said,
it's
yeah, go
okay.
ahead. So,
No, I didn't.
Tomato.
huh?
Tomato.
You wanna eat?
This is like a community.
Yeah, exactly. You want this, you want that.
For you.
You don't know. You don't want it?
I think I have
Two,
two.
yeah, you have
I
two.
have two.
Yeah, but I had two too.
Just like.
But you like it, so you can
You
have
like
it.
it, eat it.
Oh, you don't like it? Okay.
Alex. I'm helping Basti as
Community, you
well.
know? Community. Each helping each other.
Eating from each other.
Wonderful.
planning.
Yeah, because only the sambal would have looked cheap. So he was looking for, okay, let me help you with the tofu. Oh, what fits really well with tofu? I wish there was something I could eat it.
Don't waste her food, okay? She made it from scratch. Don't waste it.
First of all, I want to say the food was amazing.
You
It was
finished
so
pretty
good.
much everything.
Yeah.
There's not much left.
Only the leaf is left. It was good. I like the sambal. Sambal was amazing. I wanted to eat more, but Abhi stole all the sambal. The fish was good. It was deep fried. The taste was good. The only thing which I didn't like was tempeh. I tried this thing first time, but I guess it's not my type. The tofu was also so good. It's amazing. Eggplant, I stole hers also, so I like it. I like everything.
So what happened with your tempeh?
Tempeh,
Disappeared.
rating, I'll give 9 out of 10.
Ooh.
I'll pay $90. $90. 90.
Wow.
I'm gonna be rich.
Because
The price of the food tonight was that. So.
Okay, let's stop making the videos. Let's just sell the food then.
I like the presentation also. Presentation was so good. Like on the banana leaf and the plate. It's totally different.
So for me, this was amazing. I love it. Every single part was perfect. But it was spicy. But I love everything, and I love eating with the hands. So I really enjoyed this food.
It's like-
I think my favorite part was.
It was the chicken.
The one that I
Tempeh?
gave him. Yeah, that was.
Your favorite, but you gave it to him.
Yeah, but I had two, so I was full.
Oh, okay. Oh, you like the
But I
tempeh?
love
Was
it.
the first time you ate tempeh?
Yeah, it's the first time that I had like Indonesian food.
Oh.
And I love it. Thank you so much.
Oh, so
If I will be rich, I will pay like 100.
seriously?
9.5.
Yeah.
Time for final then. Wow. Perfect score.
Awesome. Thank you.
I finished almost everything.
I can't from your.
No, so for me it was also really good. I love like the authentic style, like getting it served like on the banana leaf was really good. Gives a really nice flavor. I have never eaten, I think, a deep fried fish, like except from like maybe these fish fingers or so. So this was very new to me, but it tasted very good. It's a little bit too much work for me though with the fish bones. It takes forever for me, so I preferred more like actually all the veggies that we had, like the tofu and tempeh and the cabbage and like timon and tomat, like everything together was really good. And the sambal, of course, was really good. But I didn't get a chance to eat too much of the sambal. Overall, I was like stunned by like how many different things were on the plate. So that was like a really good meal. And I'm giving it full 10 points because it was really so good. I would like here I would probably pay $25 maybe.
Okay.
And 25 to 30. Yeah.
Pretty much. Oh, okay. Awesome. Thank you.
I finished.
Which one of those plates is yours actually?
Mine. I was just courteous enough to give some of, the sambal to rest of them. I really loved it. And to be honest, I would love to give like $10 separately for the sambal and $40 for the entire meal. Because I'm a student, not like Kardashian.
Not like Kardashian.
But it's really good, especially like if I'm in a restaurant and they serve like this, and the meal was like a full meal. I don't have to like I'm more than full, and the best part about this meal was that fried eggplant, and this is the best, so let's not even talk about it. So in this plate, other than the sambal, I like the eggplant, the fried one. I love the tofu. I love the tempeh as well. It was new for me, and this is the first time I ate the Indonesian food, and I really loved it. The overall rating is 10 out of 10. I really loved it.
Awesome. Alright.
Well, as you can see, my friend here can say that I love it. This will rate itself. I really love this dish. Yeah, it reminded me to one of my dishes that we have in my town, because we normally have like from time to time like fried fish. So sometimes we have like catfish, but most of the time we have trout with like rice and salad, kind of like this. So it kind of brought me that memory. On the other side, like I like the presentation you give to the plate. It looks like really Indonesian, even though I haven't been. It makes me think that it's like really traditional. The sauce was like really good. Samba, like as well as him. Like I can pay for a little of that right now. Like it was so good. Like just the right amount of spiciness and so enjoyable. And I love tempeh. Fried tempeh was great. The eggplant was delicious. So yeah, I think I will give it 9. And how much can I pay for this? I think $15. But yeah, it was delicious.
Yay, we're done! Oh my god. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, guys, and thank you for coming anyways. It's so nice to share this meal with you, so you know, like you have that a little bit taste of like being in Indonesia by eating these meals. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. And apparently they like it. Me and Alex, we know this catfish or lele, and for Akash and Basti, they like it, but they just in general not really a fish fans because of the bones. And our two other friends, they're vegetarian, so they don't really have to try it because it's not for them to eat. Apart from that, we all agree that Nancy Sambel is the best. And don't forget to subscribe,
like,
yes,
and comment
comments below. So see you next time. And if you want us to try anything new, just write down in the comments, and I'm gonna try to cook it and serve it to our friends. Okay? And see you next time. Bye bye.